In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Sony headphones on a laptop. You will be able to do this easily with any model that you have, including of course the Sony WH-1000XM5. The reason why it's so easy to use these on any laptop that you might have is because you will be able to conveniently connect them over Bluetooth. So this is going to be the primary way to use them. So if your laptop has Bluetooth capabilities, you just have to make sure that it is enabled. You can also use a wired connection, and I'm going to talk about that later, but to start, if you want to do wireless connections, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and put the headphones into pairing mode. You can do this by pressing and holding the power button for 7 seconds when the headphones are powered off. After you hold the power button for 7 seconds while they are powered off, you will be able to put them into pairing mode. There will be an indicator because the LED status is going to start blinking blue. So once this happens and Bluetooth is enabled on your laptop, you will be able to find it under the list of available devices. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a few seconds and make sure that you are in close proximity of the laptop. Once you choose them from the list of available devices, they should pair up successfully and the LED status is going to stop blinking and remain stable, indicating that the connection was successfully established. Now, every single future time that you power on your Sony headphones, they will automatically pair themselves up with the laptop, and all of the audio being output will go over to the Sony headphones. Like I said, you don't have to repeat this process every single time. You will be able to use them completely wirelessly as long as they are sufficiently charged. If needed, use the provided charging cable and plug them into a suitable power source until they have sufficient battery. And you can repeat this process with any other suitable device that has Bluetooth capabilities, so PC, a laptop, mobile devices, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5s to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.